Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the Stay Home sticker in Instagram Stories.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Instagram Stories has a new update to encourage people to stay home. Make sure to update your Instagram app before trying to use this update. Here are the steps how to get Stay Home sticker in Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app. Now tap on Your Story from the top left corner. You can capture a photo, or you can choose a photo from your gallery. Now tap on the sticker icon from the list of options. Here you can find the Stay Home sticker. Simply tap on it. Tap on that sticker to see more sticker options. Select any of this. You can resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. You can use multiple stickers on the same Instagram Stories post. Tap on the sticker icon again. Tap on Search and type Stay Home. Scroll down and you will find more Stay Home sticker. Select any of this. Again resize the sticker and place it anywhere on the screen. Add more. And finally, tap on Send to button to add it to your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. In this way, you can use Stay Home sticker in Instagram Stories. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.